Welcome to the video on Multimedia Tools and Applications, part of Information Communication Technology Year 1. We will cover Section 1, ICTs in the Society, focusing on organizing, managing, and presenting information using essential productivity tools. Computers are ubiquitous, from laptops and smartphones to smart TVs and game consoles. They are also found in surprising places, like GPS navigation, airbag controllers, and farm equipment. It's important to remember that not all computers are designed for the same tasks. In this section, you will learn to describe computer software and hardware needed for documents. You will create, edit, and format text using word processing tools, including formatting, saving, printing, and document layout techniques. Finally, you will learn to create multimedia documents. A computer is an electronic device that carries out sequences of instructions automatically. It stores, retrieves, and manipulates data based on programs. The process involves input, where data enters, process, where calculations and algorithms occur, and output, which includes answers or actions. Let's look at some examples. When you do math, the questions are the input, your knowledge is the process, and the answers are the output. For your brain, senses are input. Neurons firing is the process, and signals to muscles are the output. An airbag controller uses sensors as input, a microcontroller for processing, and inflation/non-inflation as output. ICT stands for Information Communication Technology. Information includes meaningful facts and figures. Communication involves data sharing, like computer to computer, human to computer, or human through a computer to human. Technology refers to human-made devices only, not your brain. Key ideas include hardware, the physical parts, and software, the programs that instruct the hardware. Software types include system and application software. Word processing and presentation software are applications for creating and formatting text and slideshows. Formatting tools and document layout control the appearance of your work. For Activity 1.1, list the ways computers appear in your daily life. For Activity 1.2, review your list and discuss which uses of computers would be studied in ICT and why. Stay curious, ask questions, and gain experience.